350 watts of heat trapped in such a tiny space. Traditional cooling is like trying to scoop an entire mountain empty with a spoon. So, we changed the physical rules. We directly built a highway network and cleared it out in an instant. On the front side, the 3D vapor chamber structure evenly distributes heat to each fin. On the back side, an extruded backplate is added to expand the heat dissipation area, fully leveraging the performance of 3D vapor chamber. Target breakthrough. Heat is instantly disintegrated, transported, and expelled. From then on, the temperature curve no longer had any thrilling spikes. Only when heat dissipation is no longer a bottleneck can performance truly take off.